We have been blessed with the opportunity to represent the entire state of Mississippi on an international stage at the International Thespian Festival. We were able to showcase our students. They were able to participate in workshops, compete for scholarships, and out of all of the performances that went up here, our production of Property Rights by Alan Hannell was the one that was chosen to represent at the international level, where 8 other countries will be flying to meet us in Bloomington, Indiana, where we will get to perform for the world. So we have been sponsored by Pygott Law Firm, and we also have been blessed to have our registration needs met by Jackson's homegrown Angie Thomas, donated $20,000 to help us get our registration covered. We still have $10,000 that we're trying to raise to cover our transportation costs. So you can find us on Instagram at APAC Theater Jackson. That is APAC Theater spelled with an REJXN.
Troupe 4909. Are you ready? Shh. Don't tell. It's a secret. Pretty impressive, right? So these figures that you see standing before you are a representation of the human embodiment and all that we are afraid of, so to speak, when we start talking about autonomy. They are pre-programmed beings, and so while we are watching these figures be auctioned off, we are also watching and raising the conversation about AI.
To be or not to be? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms.
There's the respect that makes calamity of so long life. For who would suffer the whips and scorns of time, the oppressor's wrong? I say to you today, my friends, in spite of difficulties and frustrations of the moment, I still have a dream.
Hey, what do you think of this dress?
It's great. I bet it set you back a paycheck or two.
Guess how much I pay for this dress?
More than I can afford, I know that.
Would you believe 75?
No.
Yes, and there are plenty more like this at Stevens Designer Dresses.
Stevens Designer Dresses? Where's that?
Holland Street, right across from the mall. Look for the big red sign, Stevens Designer Dresses.
Sounds like a bargain to me. I think I'll go there tonight.